Hello dear travelers, I'm very happy to welcome you in my today's video and together to go for one more adventure. This particular video is a part of series that I'm making here in London. The reason to come here in London is because I wanted to visit Stonehenge, and I'm here for 3 days visiting Stonehenge. There are many ways to go to visit Stonehenge: by bus, by train, by taxi, finding a private driver, but I decided to go to visit Stonehenge by train, the traditional English train. In this video I will tell you how are the things in the English trains and what experience you will have the trip to Stonehenge with the detailed information about tickets, price, train stations, train stops and everything. I will make another video because that is more specific and detailed information. Now I want to tell you a little more about the train itself. I don't know if you know, but here in England I believe that is, I would say, that the country with the best organized public transportation. They have buses, train, metro. With the train you can go all over the country. The train stations, they can make connection with other trains just in matter of minutes, so you will waste as less time as possible. Tickets are very affordable. When you buy train ticket, remember to mention your final destination, and if it's one-way ticket or return ticket, because if it is a return ticket the price is even better. When you buy your ticket you have to specify the day. If it's for 1 day one-way ticket or return ticket for 1 day your final destination. In case you have specific answers, please ask the staff that works there, so you will have the right complete information just in matter of seconds. I have to tell you that the train carriages, they are very clean. The people have respect for each other's privacy. It's very quiet. Of course, if you are lucky to have some teenagers traveling with you, of course the teenagers all over the world, they are noisy, but in general the people, they are quiet. And in most of the train carriages you will have the chargers, electronic pockets, what they call here electronic pockets. All of the trains there is provided free of charge Wi-Fi, so you can browse the internet while you are traveling. And then traveling with the English train is a very interesting and pleasant experience. We travel with the train for approximately 3 hours to Stonehenge from London, and being online watching the nature, I simply didn't feel how 3 hours were over. So dear travelers, here is the time when I have to answer the question: if the place clean? Yes, the train carriages are very clean. Is the staff friendly? Yes, the staff is very friendly. Whoever you ask for information, everyone will assist you. Am I using again? Yes, if I'm back here in London, definitely I will use the public transportation again. And do I recommend it? Yes, definitely. The bus transportation, the metro transportation, the train transportation, as I mentioned before, they're very well organized, and you absolutely 100% you can rely on them. So dear travelers, thank you very much for being with me today on this train experience here in England. I wish you a very good day. Stay healthy, stay positive, and I will see you in my next video from my London update. Ciao!